Hi kombucha makers, it's Kamala, and what I want to show you is last night when I got home I tasted my kombucha and it was to the level of tartness that I like, hardly any hint of sweet left, and this was a Moroccan mint that I did, and I do unusual combinations, I will say that. So what you do next is you take the mother out of the big jar that I had it in and put her in the mother hotel, and she was a huge mother, believe me. Then I pour the kombucha into these other little jars, almost to the top is what you want to do. Then you ferment it with whatever secondary fruit you want. And I have chosen grapefruit for my mint. So as you can see, I've got some ruby red grapefruit. And as the days go on, the sugars in the grapefruit are going to ferment even more and bubbles. That's how you get your carbonation. Actually, if you shake it, you can see the bubbles are starting to form on the top there. And you're going to want to, they call it burping it every couple of days so it doesn't explode. They can't explode. See, I've got some bubbles forming there right by that grapefruit. And you want to use glass. You definitely want to use glass. And I have various glass, as you can see, various lids. A lot of my bell jars got broken. But anyway, and I don't like to use any of the bell jars that have rust on the part that goes the seal on the inside. I just don't like to use that, so I throw those out, get new ones. So anyway, I'll keep you posted on how the fermentation goes. And also, when I got to the very bottom, I didn't have enough for another jar. But what I did have was a lot of dark mother in the kombucha that was left on the very bottom. So if I need to, I can add a spoonful of this into this to even kickstart the fermentation with the grapefruit a little bit more. All right, so that's our first one we're going to show you is a Moroccan mint grapefruit. We'll let you know how it tastes. I've done some very unusual combinations. I was doing the pepper ones before they were even out on the market.